In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable parental controls on Amazon Prime Video. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Begin by opening your web browser and going to Amazon. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the navigation options available. After arriving at Amazon, locate the section often labeled as Account and Lists. This option is typically found on the homepage and serves as your gateway for managing various aspects of your account. Once you click on Account and Lists, you will have access to several account management tools as well as options designed for family management. Within the account management area, look for the option related to your family account. This is usually identifiable by the label that refers to your family membership or household settings. Selecting the family option will guide you to an interface aimed specifically at helping you maintain control over family-oriented settings. Once you have successfully accessed your family account settings, the next step is to add a new family member. When you are ready to add someone to your family account, locate and click on the Add a New Member option. This action will initiate the process of expanding your family management setup by including additional members who can benefit from parental control features. On the screen that appears after choosing to add a member, you will need to select the option to add a child. This selection is important because it ensures that the settings and restrictions you apply are specifically tailored for a younger audience. After clicking on Add Child, you will be prompted to provide some basic information about your child. Start by entering your child's first name in the designated field. This helps in creating a personalized profile, which later makes it easier to manage and review any activity related to your child on Amazon Prime Video. Next, you will be asked to select a birth date. Taking care to choose the correct birth date is vital, as it may influence the type of content that is deemed appropriate for your child in subsequent steps and settings. Following the birthday entry, you will be invited to choose an icon to represent your child within your family account. Choose an icon that both appeals to your child and clearly distinguishes their account from the others. Finally, once all the information has been accurately entered and you are satisfied with your selections, click on the Create option. This finalizes the setup process and successfully integrates your child into the family management system, thereby enabling the parental controls on Amazon Prime Video. By following these steps carefully, you have effectively set up an environment where your child's viewing experience can be safely managed. Each action taken during this process is designed to ensure that the content available to younger family members remains appropriate and under your supervision. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that you have taken a proactive step towards safeguarding the media consumption habits of your family members on Amazon Prime Video.